So, well, for me, I would say now everybody prefers digital media. Everybody. I mean, it's the fastest way to get things done. I'm not saying traditional media is not effective. It is effective, but now, as compared to before, nah, it's not giving because we, as Gen Zs, we want to consume information as soon as possible. You get it, and that's where like the market is like it has to be such. We want to be in a saturated space. But for me, imagine Ivy going by the newspaper stand to go buy newspaper to now like get to know about certain all information going on in the world is going to be like take a long time, and time is money. We want to do things where like we are okay and do it at a fast pace. You can't be sitting in your trotro or your Uber with a newspaper looking through. Now, even our iPhones, we don't have the radio apps on it. You get it. So I feel it's affecting traditional media greatly. So like I think my brother was saying, they have to find a way to merge the traditional media with the digital media. Sometimes I think certain radio stations or even TV stations have their broadcast on the social media platforms and things, and I think it gives us the chance to also consume such content. Yeah.